head of basketball operations in Sandria Lubit and head of security, Rudy Distrito. Start the quarter is a float right away for Jomel Landayan.
Jomel Landayan, no problems at all that side of the floor. This is that stagger for Caspe and that low block for Brian. Nice move.
Caruela blocked from behind by the shorter. Manang bola si Caspe. Early post.
Too easy.
Gamalinda gets the finish.
Well, that was too easy. Si Jomel pa lang ang nakaka-score dito sa Marikina so far.
Okay. Wow. It's a hard shot.
He got fronted, gave a hand to be a target, caught it and made a bucket.
Errol Soriano with a spin to the finish.
Sana ma-inspire ko pa ang kabataan to never stop working on their craft. Pinaka-excited daw si Bam Bam na makasama ulit ang kanyang former teammate in Ino Comboy.
Gerard Wilson drives middle, gives it up to GP Faundo. Good for GP Faundo, and Gerard Wilson has been doing well in making those driving kicks. Not sure if it was you and me during that game against the Quezon Huskers. He's only about 75 to 80%, so there's still more to his game. Itong si Gerard Wilson. But right now, he is providing quality minutes. And once again, the assist by Gerard, the finish by Jason Strait.
And the rules of that,
Hindi pa nire-release, no? Kung sino yung mga maglalaro.
Baka magulat ako, andun pa.
Wala. Ano, baka Strait.
Nice pass.
Medyo malalim. Now JC Recto gets the basketball. 2 versus 1. Recto all the way for the lay. Wilson, left wing, fires a 3. Off to the left.
Wow, what
JP
effort.
Faundo. Here is the tall matchup once again. Magat gets the rebound.
They got numbers.
Recto between the legs. Kick out to Bam Gamalinda. Bounce 3. Good for Bam Gamalinda.
Ganun talaga eh. Matangkad sila eh. Nice.
Harvey Berge though, playing the 3 and able to provide with that reverse layup.
Kailangan nilang makakita ng scoring kasi pag umiscore yan, sobrang napakalaki para sa kanila. Great footwork always.
Scores less the past few months.
Yes.
JC, but
Yeah.
it's good to see him back aggressive here in the first half. Pero to, sagot agad sa kabila si GP Faundo.
That's his already second mid-range jumper. He's 3 out of 4 from inside the paint. Wow, what a fake.
Good
Oh
pass
my
and another jam coming from Marian Magat. 5 seconds on the game clock. Escoto, 2 seconds. Escoto, the fake, the fire. It's gonna be a little too strong for Jetro Escoto.